everybody, we thought that it would be really fun to introduce you to some of the animals here on the farm, since we're going to be sharing more about life on the farm with you. So we're going to take some time and introduce you to some of our favorite creatures that we have. This is Ruby. She is our oldest nanny goat that we have. Her and her daughter, Butterbean, were the first goats on our farm. They are a sweet, sweet pair. They kind of are the boss. There's Butterbean in the back. We hope that they are both bred to Jethro and can't wait to see their babies. Last year they both had two beautiful sets of twins, and added to our herd and have been a great, great, great asset.
This is Daisy. She's at least 2 years old. She just had her first baby. It's a boy. His name's Boomer. She's been a great mother to him. She loves hay. She loves to get loved on. That's Daisy.
Hey, this is Boomer, and he almost is about a month old, and he is my favorite goat, and his mom are related to a lot of our goats, and they're not having horns because his mom doesn't have horns.
This is Woody. He's our standard male donkey. He does not like to be touched, but we'll give you a mean stare down. He's super gentle, very sweet, very protective of the goats, and he does his job, but he just does not like to be touched. This is our female donkey, Jessie. She's sweet and feisty, and she is a great protector for our goats, and she's about 4.5 years old. We're looking forward to breeding her again in the fall. She had a baby in March that was a dummy foal. He ended up getting pneumonia and didn't survive that. So we are looking forward to breeding her with our male Woody again, and hopefully have successful pregnancy and a healthy, functioning baby to share with everyone.
So this is Nora. We rescued her from, and she's about 8 or 9 months old. We got her in November, and she's our barn cat. She's very sweet. That's Nora. So this is Lima Bean. This is Coco.
Lima bean with the blackhead? Yep, right there.
Lima bean with the black head right there, and then Lima bean, Coco is the one with the brown head. They were born last spring. They are Butterbean's first set of twins. They were born last spring, so that makes them a year old. They are very sweet. Coco is a little skittish, but
So this is the rest of our herd. Some of them are named, some of them are not. Most of these, 4 of these had unsuccessful pregnancies this spring. We think they were missing selenium in their diet and are working really hard to get that under control and are excited to breed them again after we let their bodies recoup and recover from the partial pregnancies that they had. They did not go full term and delivered stillborn babies. And we do think that was from a mineral, and are gonna work on keeping up their nutrition, and actually think that we will share with you guys what we have done to prevent them from having mineral deficiency, because that is super important. Diet and nutrition is crucial to their ability to breed and successfully carry babies to term.